my channel Technology Traveler, I have been reviewing apps after a lot of research. Simple and convenient ways of doing things. Who doesn't like greenery? If you're surrounded by green spaces and you're close to nature on a daily basis, it just is so therapeutic. Not only is it good emotionally, it also helps us physically. I found out that gardening is an exercise which keeps you engaged, which also nourishes your body. This is good for your blood pressure. This is excellent for your muscles and so many innumerable ways. Did you know that there are apps for gardeners of all levels, beginner and advanced? With so many gardening apps available, I'm now going to convert my smartphone into my personal assistant, into my gardening companion. So, if you like what you see on my channel Technology Traveler, subscribe and stay tuned and be with me. So with the Plant Story app, identify the plant just by clicking a picture and then monitor how. Let's look at how. So I'm identifying the plant by clicking its picture. The app will identify it from the database. Okay, so it has identified it as my junk. Moving on to the next one. Oh wow, it's identifying. Let's see. Oh my god, identified as My Lady Banks Rose. So with Plant Story, you can identify plants that you would like to grow. Just look for plants that interest you, or plants in your neighborhood that you want to grow, and then watch them grow. The other app which I find very interesting is the app called My Home Gardening. How beautifully it's organized. Just click on this app and the categories are basics, tools, vegetables, fruits, herbs, flowers. We might want to grow something in the kitchen in pots. You want to grow chili at home or curry leaves or whatever. But most importantly, if you click on basics, types of gardens, what kind of garden are you looking for? You have to have some starting point, right? Then getting your garden soil ready, how important this is. The thing I found a bit annoying in this app is the fact that there are ads which you have to get rid of. These ads are intrusive, that's annoying. But other than that, if you look at even this aspect about getting garden soil ready, things we take for granted. We put all our thought and energy in the plant that we want to grow, but sometimes we don't think about the soil in which it has to grow. The soil may be full of unwanted debris, stones, or it may be too shallow or lacking, mineral. Did you realize that it is actually so important to first get your garden soil ready? Shouldn't we just be able to stick a plant in the ground and then watch it grow? See, we do realize that different plants require different types of soil. Now, your soil needs to have so many nutrients in it. It must be rich in nutrients because your soil must have already gone through so many cycles and it must have grown so many plants. Now, it's your responsibility to first make sure that your soil is ready for the plant that you're growing. So, the stages in getting your soil ready, meaning area clearing, soil aerating and adding soil amendments or plant food, all of that is explained so well in this app. Choosing fertilizers, then composting and choosing your plants. The ads in between are annoying, but other than that, very useful information. So not even one section to be wasted. Then you go into the tools and every single tool, and once you click on the tool, so every tool and how it is supposed to be used, including the garden hose. Now what is so important in a garden hose, you might think, as long as it just waters plants. No, one must look for a garden hose that has 5-wall construction and real brass fittings. So there's information about each and everything and how it lasts the season and what is the use and each one of these. So one can go through each one of these tools and see whichever one is relevant. Into the vegetables, how each vegetable, how is it to be grown, what's the care it requires, when is the harvesting and storing. So this app is going to give you a starting point and will help you to plan your garden, right from the planting to care and the tools you need, the kind of pest problems and the harvesting and storage. Armed with these two apps, I don't think you need anything more, and both the apps work very well. Now with my first app, My Plant Story, I identified my Lady Banks rose and I added it to my garden. So I'm now going to prepare the soil for this, and what was the preparation I needed I have looked at by the second app, My Home Gardening. Prepare the soil, aerate the soil. There, I'm ready. So this is how these apps are helping us. They're giving us convenient ways of monitoring and knowing the condition of our plants. If you like what you see, subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon.